I'm walking in the streets of Nairobi and I'm going to get my stickers that I made for my socks. See, that's
my dream doll. Look, even it has a hat.
It has a
hat. It has some clothes here.
Guys, my soap is ready. All I have to do is just remove from this dish and voila, it's ready. This is rice soap now. So this is just a small sample of how to make rice soap at home. Hi. Say hi. Give the people a miss. Mwah. What's up, everybody? It's your favorite girl, Evie Shauna. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope your day was amazing. Mine was amazing. So right about now, I want to go and try do deliveries for soaps. Also try to get new customers, you know. And this is my outfit of the day, guys. Yeah, and please, if you watch my videos, when you see advertisements or ads, try to watch at least 1 or 2 so that you can support me, guys. Yeah, if you watch my videos and you don't watch at least 1 of my ads, you know, it's kind of tricky for me. But thank you for watching my videos. So if you watch my videos, try to watch at least 1 ad. I know it's not easy, but just try to do this and support me, and I will really so much appreciate it. So come along with me as I go and try do deliveries here and there. I hope you're going to be blessed. You're going to have an amazing time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And as you can see, my face is glowing. If you're suffering from pimples, acne, black spots, uneven skin tone, sunburns, hyperpigmentation, please, my number is here on the screen. Yeah, get yourself a fruit soap that has pineapple, papaya, carrots, and turmeric that will make your skin glow. It's not for bleaching, it brightens naturally. And also I have rice soap that is good for drying excess oil and pimples. I have sea moss soap, I have coffee soap. If you're suffering from pimples, black spots, or if you just want your skin to be clear, please make sure to contact me on my number that was in the screen there. Yeah, and I'll tell you on the type of soap that you're supposed to use. Even men can use, ladies, even adolescent children who have acne. So it doesn't matter which gender you are. Yeah, come with me, guys. I love you so much. I love you, my subscribers. You're the best. Before I go to town, I have to go to B Center first to drop the first soap. Yeah. Hey, and I'm already hungry. From the house, I have not eaten anything. I don't know what I'm going to eat, guys. My stomach is rumbling. Yeah, hope you watch this video up to the end to see my customers, to see what I did in the day. I could not be able to vlog on the streets of Nairobi because I'm afraid that my phone, hey, and actually I'm going for deliveries, also to make designs for my soap. And the stairs, there's no lift in this building. So anyway, yeah, let me go make designs for the soaps. Guys, so it's another day and I've delivered a soap here at my customer. So I want to walk to the other shops and try to get new customers or other customers. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's go together. And it's so hot in Nairobi until I have heat rush. So I'm walking in the streets of Nairobi and I'm going to get my stickers that I made for my socks. So yeah, as you can see, in Nairobi there are very many people, and it's, oh my god, there are cars here. Let me vlog later. I'll talk to you later, guys. Yeah, people are looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, what? So again, I'm climbing these stairs to go and get the stickers that I made for the soaps. I hope you will like them. And it's really hot. Yeah. Oh my god, I feel like I'm so unfit. These stairs are killing me. Wow. Wow. Hi, madam. Hi. Did you receive the money? Yeah, I sent it. Nilituma jana. 40 bob. Eve. Oh, unapika nini tena leo? How much? Okay, nilete. Niko kwa Jose. So that's why sometimes I eat my lunch when I'm in town, because she cooks really nice and it's cheap. It's 100 bob. That's like even less than $1. Yeah. So at least I've arrived. Let me go and check if my stickers are okay. Guys, pray for me. So I've reached at where they were printing my stickers for the soap. Yeah, I'm waiting for the person so that at least I can see how they have designed them. Yeah, so that at least I can be selling my soaps which have a brand. Yeah. Wow, so tired. So this is my lunch for today. Rice, beans, not beans exactly, but yeah. Someone in the comment section said I'm eating too much junk food. A lot of chips and chicken. So today I'm eating healthy. So this is where, wow. Yeah. So I've also come to try and deliver soaps here and there. And here they sell nice wigs. I'm hoping to one day try them. Yeah. Hi guys, it's another day. I'm from town and I'm so tired. The sun is so hot. So I want to receive a package. My mommy from the US sends my children's toys and I want to fix them. So I want to see what's inside. Let's see together. You can show them near what's inside. Crystal! Oh, nice. Beautiful doll. Wow, there's two dolls. Wow. There's another doll. Wow. What's that, Silas? And then there's also these dolls. Wow, so beautiful. So cute. That's a robot. Let me show them the robot. Oh, see this? They're so cute. Show them this. Yeah, and then also biros, pencils, dinosaurs. Oh, candies, sweets. Oh, mommy, thank you so much. And then we also have what? These are gold bears, gummy candies. Wow, they're going to love it. And what else? Love hats and holiday card. Oh, so sweet. She sent me a letter. Let me read it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh. Hugs and kisses. See guys. See guys. Hugs and kisses. Shh. Take baby. Tutu. Hugs and kisses. Oh, to my lovely children, I hope the talk brings smiles and joy to you all. Have fun. Love you always. I'm not gonna mention the name. Hope your Valentine's Day is full of all the good stuff. Evie, Haley Joy, Kyla Amani, Silas Imani, Crystal Favor. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the Valentine's card. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm really thankful and we appreciate it so much. Silas, are you happy?
Yes.
What's this? Wow, cars.
Yes.
Wow, baby. Shika Toto. Toto.
Wow.
Toto.
Amazing.
Shika Toto. Okay guys, I think I'll also continue with the vlog later. Let me first finish up seeing what we were sent. This is so beautiful. Wow. Let's wait for the others to come from school. Are you happy with your toys?
Yes.
Oh, wow. They are already playing with the toys here. That's your robot.
Yes.
What do you have to tell mommy from US?
Hi guys.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
So that's your robot and your cars. Are you happy? Dolls?
Yes.
Who are, I. Who are you going to say thank you to?
Thank you.
To mom, to our mom from US, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Amani,
Yes.
are you happy?
Yes.
What do you have to say?
Thank you.
And Silas, are you happy?
Yes.
Wow. Favor,
Yeah.
are you happy?
Happy.
See, that's your.
My dream doll. Look, even it has a hat.
It has a.
It has a hat.
Uh-huh.
It has some clothes here.
Uh-huh.
Here you see a first aid box.
Mm-hmm.
Mom. Wow, even it has a child even here. Mom.
It has a child.
Yeah, you can see here. I am finished.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. It's
You have-
so beautiful.
You love it.
Yeah,
There is
I
also
love
gummy bears.
Look even.
That's for Amani. There is gummy bears.
And some pencils.
Yeah.
Wow. US treats.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy. Some lollipops. I
Mm-hmm.
can't wait to unbox this first.
You want to unbox it?
Yeah.
Can we do it on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay. Finish and then we do it on your YouTube channel. What do you have to tell our US mom?
I want to tell her thank you. God bless her.
Wow.
She will never lack anything.
Uh-huh.
She's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to say thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay. You want to meet her one day?
Yeah.
Okay, we will meet her one day. So guys, that was toys that we just received from the US. I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy. Yeah, make sure to like that channel, comment and subscribe.